Many of us are now homeschooling kids, myself included. I'm new to homeschooling, but it's been about 6 weeks or so now, and I've showed you my new homeschool routine. I showed you my first day of homeschool. I showed you my homeschool essentials, and today I'm going to show you some homeschool hacks to make your homeschooling a little easier. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and I want to talk about some homeschool hacks, things to make homeschool a little bit easier. Now I'm new to homeschooling like many of us are, and I showed you my very first day of homeschool a couple of weeks ago. I showed you our homeschool routine a few weeks later, and then I also showed you my homeschool essentials last week, which I think is a really good video because I had a lot of good ideas in that one. But today I want to show you some homeschool hacks, 5 things to make your homeschool life a little bit easier. If you have homeschool hacks, of course I want to hear about them too. So make sure if you have something that I didn't mention in this video to leave it down below in the comments so others can read it too. I do owe you a giveaway winner from our Peaceable Kingdom giveaway. Peaceable Kingdom sponsored a giveaway for some really great educational games. Love Peaceable Kingdom. They are really pretty, they're gorgeous games, and they are a lot of fun, and they really focus on cooperative play. So if you see your name here, congratulations, you have won. You have 72 hours to respond to claim your prize. If you didn't win this giveaway, not to worry, because there's a giveaway going on right now where you can go enter to win. It's from last Saturday, so that's still open until this coming Friday. So go check that one out. And then of course, I'm going to have giveaways in the next couple of Purple Alphabet videos. They're always happening, so be sure to tune in and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, we do educational activities for kids and ideas and inspirations to learn through play. And I would love it if you were to be a part of the Purple Alphabet community. So let's get on to those homeschool hacks. I got 5 of them for you, and I think you're going to like them. My first homeschool hack are page protectors. Now these page protectors are ones that I got from the dollar store. They're made specifically for this purpose, but you don't need to have these, especially if you can't go to the store right now. You can use just a regular page protector, one that you put inside a binder. These are great for dry erase. So if you have a printable, or if you have an activity that you want to do over and over and over again, you can slide it inside this pocket or your page protector and write on top of the plastic over and over and over again. Write on it, erase it, write on, erase it. You're saving some paper, especially if you have multiple kids in your house and you want to do the worksheet over again, or maybe you want to do it now and then do it again later for practice. For example, this one right here on this sheet is the alphabet on a manuscript writing line, and so that's probably something you're going to want to repeat over and over. So don't waste paper, put it inside one of these dry erase pockets, and then you can write it over and over and over again. Like I said, these did come from the dollar store. I have seen them in the Target dollar section too, but you can also buy them online on Amazon. So I'm going to put a link to these directly to them in my description box. You can go right to them if you want to buy some. The benefit to having these is that they're kind of a little bit stronger. They're made for this purpose, and so the plastic's thicker than a page protector. But if you're in a pinch and you need something quick, you can always use a just regular page protector too. Homeschool hack number 2 is something that I saw from fellow YouTube friend Tic Tac Toy Family. Lucy is now homeschooling her kids before all of the virus things happened, and she came up with a really great idea to keep your kids kind of motivated through your homeschooling day. She thought it would be awesome if you were to take a whole bunch of different locations in your house and write them on pieces of paper. Fold up those pieces of paper and then put them inside of a jar, and then have your child pick one out and find a place where they're going to do their schoolwork. It can be someplace just that makes sense, like a table or a kitchen or a couch, or it can be something fun like outdoors. I think she had some things like her trampoline, she had a bathtub, she had in the laundry room, just to switch things up. So every time you're kind of feeling a little lull and you need a little bit of excitement, your kid can reach in, pick out a new location, and to see where they're going to go do their work. I thought this was an excellent way to mix up the day, give you some variety, and allow a little bit of flexibility. You could also have your child come up with some different things to put inside the jar as well to help them feel included in the process. I thought that was an excellent homeschool hack, especially if we're getting into a routine or a rut and we want to mix things up. Homeschool hack number 3 is using free resources. So here on the Purple Alphabet, I'm constantly trying to show you things that are free or things that are around your house, but this one's a great one, and it's what I do all the time. If you go over to Teachers Pay Teachers, which is a paying website, but you don't have to pay. You can go ahead and search in the search box for free the specific age group or grade level that you're looking for. And it's gonna pull up so many different free resources from people people who have put all of their printables online for you to use. All you need is a Teachers Pay Teachers account, and you can download them right to your computer, print them out, and use them in your home learning. Now, I do recommend, if you like some of these free printables, to kind of browse around and see if there might be one or two that you want to pay, because these teachers are creating these and uploading them online, and that's how they get their money. So just be aware of that, and to see if there's any other resources that you might want to use, especially if you like the free printables that they've created for you to use. Homeschool hack number 4 is to use hands-on activities, and of course the Purple Alphabet is great for that. So I've been doing YouTube for quite a while, and I have a lot of videos on here, I think a couple of hundred, and there's lots of ideas. Even the older videos, there's a lot of great ideas. So all you need to do is to go onto the main Purple Alphabet YouTube page, and in the search bar enter what you're looking for. So spelling words, sight words, ABCs, whatever it is, and it's going to pull up a whole bunch of videos that are filled with ideas. And what you're going to find are a lot of mixed ideas. You know, there's free printables, but there's also hands-on learning and ideas to use things around your house, are really affordable, and things that you probably already own in your learning. So you can make these activities more hands-on than just doing a worksheet or watching a video online. So if you haven't already done that, check out the search function on the main page, and you're going to find a ton of ideas. Homeschool hack number 5 is to use YouTube. And I know I just said use hands-on activities, but sometimes YouTube can be a great resource to do some videos, and we've been using it a lot. I think in one of my homeschool videos, I talked about using some of the YouTube tutorials online for phonics. Not only that, you can type it and learn all kinds of different things, from geography to science to chemistry if you have an older student. I have a friend who does a lot of great chemistry videos. So use YouTube when you need something to supplement, or maybe it's a topic you're not too versed on, and there's some really great videos all the way from preschool prep to the Magic School Bus and higher education levels as well. And these are videos that are actually teaching your kids as if they were in a classroom. I have a bonus homeschool hack for you, and that is to set up a workstation if you haven't already. Now that could be a desk, table, or what have you, but I'm also meaning like a little supply box. We have these little supply boxes that have their crayons, their pencils, their color pencils, scissors, glue, whatever it is they're going to need for class. Now we have a ton of supplies and art supplies and things that I can put in there, but I try to keep it to the essentials that I know their teachers are going to call for when they're on a Zoom call, or something they're going to need at their fingertips when they are doing their schoolwork. These boxes I bought at Michael's. I'm not 100% a big fan of them, to be honest with you, but what I'm going to do is go on Amazon and put a couple of different ones that I think might be suitable for this purpose in my description box, so you can see some options. But just something that's going to hold everything and put it together, like a caddy that would sit on your desk and have everything accessible to them. This makes things so much easier when they're looking around for things and trying to find their supplies to do their work. What homeschool hacks do you have? Especially if you've been homeschooling a long time, I want to hear about it. Let us know down below in the comments, and make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this, and give me a thumbs up to show your love.